And about the 25-liter temper machine power supply connection, we connect power here. Okay, usually we got 3 dots. Here is one L, one A, and one PE. Here's the thing. I mean, if your power supply is 3-phase 220, you connect 2 live wire. Okay, 2 live wire. But if your power supply is 380 and 3-phase, okay, you need to connect 1 live wire and 1 neutral. Okay. There will be difference, and there are PE. If you got a PE, you connect PE, okay? Because this machine is a single phase, okay? It only needs 220 volts. So if your power supply is 3-phase 220, you connect 2 hots. I mean 2 live wire. And in some places like America, some place got a type of power supply that is 2 hot. 2 live wire, 220 volts, so you connect the 2 live wire, okay? But if your power supply is 3-phase 380, okay, you connect 1 live wire and 1 neutral, okay? So there are 2 combined is 220 volts for the machine, okay? This machine is 220 volts, okay? You must be careful with that. If you're not sure, you ask help to us. Or you can call a local electrician, a real specialist to do the job. Okay? If you make it wrong, it will burn the inverters and this DC power driver. Okay? You must be careful with this part.